going on. Now we're on our way to a photo shoot. We have some camouflage blazers and other cool stuff.
What's up, little Emmy? Are we recording, Rasmus?
We're recording.
Oh, baby, coming up. Hi guys, thank you for tuning in on this episode of Slikhaar TV Lifestyle. Where are we at?
Yeah, we are in Emil's apartment.
Oh,
and,
yeah.
We're gonna review some clothes today, so stay tuned.
And it's great to see you again, by the way. What are we up for?
Yeah, we have a new year coming up and we decided that we'll do more fashion and lifestyle episodes. Today we are gonna review some nice clothes from Tiger, Sweden. So we have some nice suits.
Yeah, yesterday I bought a tuxedo with the army print and we'll battle it with a classic blazer. And underneath the tuxedo I'll wear a turtleneck because I think it's really classic, and I have a few colors here. A black one, a grayish, and olive color. And what it's all about, it's figuring out what tones you would mix so it speaks to each other. I think this army olive color is pretty nice, so I'll show you a look with this one. I would wear pants for it. Jeans will take too much attention. I'll jump into it. So this is the look I'm going for, and Rasmus, now it's your turn. Let me have the camera.
Yes. Okay, so let me give it a try. We have the cotton blazer here. To make a fair comparison, I think I should also wear the turtleneck.
You could wear it without a t-shirt underneath.
I think this is cool.
Let me help you. Looks decent.
Looks nice.
I think we should go outside and check it out. We'll record here on the street. I think we should do something with the hair before we jump into the photo shoot.
Let's do it.
Let's do it! I think it's all right now.
No.
Maybe add a little bit of the new Zero spray.
It's fashion.
SIDEKICK Zero. I have a little bit left of my sample at the restroom. So we'll show you how to quick fix your hair with that one. And I also have a little bit of the new Beeswax Zero. It's coming out as Wax Zero. So it's gonna be exciting. Let's do it, Rasmus. Come on, man. How's the light in here?
We need to adjust the camera a little bit. If you hold the camera,
I will hold the camera.
Look in the closet. Don't record in this. This is really messy. So this is what's left of the new SIDEKICK Zero. It's coming out really soon. It doesn't contain any fragrance at all, and beside that, it's 72% organic. So we're really excited about it, and you have to stay tuned because we are pre-launching it really soon. And also we have the Wax Zero. That's what's left of the sample. I'm using it a lot. That's just one sample out of many. I'll use those essential tools. I use it every day. This is the skeleton brush and this is the giant comb. Very easy to blow dry your hair with this one. And when you have blow dried it and added a little bit of the products, it's almost finger combing because of the space between the teeth. I'll need a few pumps of this. Gives it a little bit moist texture and also heat protection. And then I reactivate the product that I already have in it by applying a little bit of heat. And what's nice about the new SIDEKICK Zero, we also added a new secret ingredients that actually makes your hair anti-frizz. So if you are struggling with frizzy hair, then add a little bit of that. Zero SIDEKICK. And now to finish it off, for a natural healthy look, I add a little bit of this one as well. It's not much because I already have wax in the hair, so I'll add a little bit of the Wax Zero just to give it a little bit of natural glow and a little bit of hold and control. Yes. And you can probably tell I need a haircut. I need to trim the hair just around my ears, and I need to do my eyebrows as well. They are pretty heavy, so I'll just do this. and the secret tip on the extra hold, and to release a little bit extra of the hair product.
Right, Rasmus, now it's your turn to fix your hair.
Sounds great, looking forward.
As you can see, it's already blow dried into some sort of precision. For now, I just need to apply some wax, because it's only blow dried with some SIDEKICK Zero, and I will take
The last scoop.
the last scoop. How do I feel about that, Emil? The last scoop?
I feel good because we are making a big batch for all of you.
Yes.
So I hope.
But anyway, a little goes a long way. And working it in from the sides.
And also, the greatest gift is to give. So enjoy, Rasmus.
Thanks.
Enjoy the rest of the wax zero I have left.
You'll have $100. And
So we got a lot of control.
I'll have control over the sides and got it covered up evenly. I'm ready. So we're on. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yes. We're outside Emil's apartment, and now we're going to test out the clothes and see how it looks and how it feels.
Yeah.
So right now it's going pretty well.
How it's going?
I'm feeling great, and I took the army tuxedo for a spin, and I brought my trench coat, and I like this sand color, and it's a little bit too cold to wear here in Denmark at these days. We have -degrees. I think it shows the look really good.
Rasmus, why don't you show us what it looks like without a jacket?
Was just about to. So here we have the jacket. And
still got a lot of shit left to see. Stuck in this town, and the town stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home all alone. Hoping one day our names will be known, 'cause I'm stuck on the bottom.
Now I'm freezing to death, so we have to end this episode, Rasmus.
-2 degrees. We're almost done, so we have one thing to say. Thank you for watching, and we have made a poll for you.
Use the poll up here and vote for this one if you like that.
And then there's a new button on the
Vote
homepage.
for Rasmus' black outfit.
And there's a new button. There's a community on the homepage for Slikhaar TV, so we'll put some exclusive pictures. If you go there, just go to our profile and click community. See you guys next time.
Now I need a hot chocolate.